So runway head is indicating we may enter the runway.
Right, approach sector looks clear.
Yeah. Lights are on.
Okay.
Now I need a little more thrust to turn the aircraft around, because when we pass the center line it will be the way up.
35 Quebec, contact departure 127.950, goodbye.
2795, take ignite, MS2, correction 135 Quebec.
Wind seems to be nice and steady on the nose.
Yes, I saw the windsock on the left here. Would you two be ready for takeoff?
I'm ready.
Great. So we just wait for the clearance.
Lufthansa 730, wind 26015 knots, only 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Lufthansa 730, clear takeoff, 26 left.
Takeoff. Stabilized. Man flag 39, SRS runway on the thrust.
Good evening, line up runway 26 left, and wait.
Thrust sets.
Line up 26 left, and wait, runway 124.
Knots.
Checked.
V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Lufthansa 730, contact radar 123.905, guten Flug.
Lufthansa 730, 123.905, danke schön Abflug. Departure, schönen guten Abend, Lufthansa 730, Super 2500, climbing W70.
Fast 3 and climb 2, climb all blue 7000.
Lufthansa 730, identified climb flight level 100.
Lufthansa 730, climbing level 100.